Hey everybody, hi at COMM 1007. I hope you guys are doing okay. I hope you're staying safe and indoors, feeling healthy. Please know that throughout this whole very weird, unexpected experience, you can always get a hold of me for any reason. If you need any help with class, if you have any weird circumstances that are making it hard for you to finish assignments, um, you can always get a hold of me. But this video, I just wanted to make a very short video and talk a little bit about what is going to be on Blackboard this week. So, at this point, you guys are in pretty good shape. A lot of you guys have submitted the bibliography, you've done the quiz, and you've done your outline. I've been trying to mark those outlines and get them back to you guys with comments with the rubric as quickly as possible. So once you have that, you're really able to start start writing the essay, the research essay. Um, for the bibliography, I've been marking those as well. I tend not to write as much detail in those. I might write a little bit, a couple lines here and there about why you got the grade you did or if you were missing something. But in general, the thing you really want to pay attention to in terms of feedback is the outline, because that's what you're going to be working from uh, for the essay. And so if there's anything I saw where I was like, this is a bit of a problem, or this might not work out for you, or you might have trouble with the way you've arranged things here, I want you guys to definitely see that first before you try to write that essay. Another reminder about checking the comments. If you're having trouble seeing the comments that I've left for you on Blackboard, it might be because you were trying to use the Blackboard app, which is really not very good for looking at graded assignments and reading the feedback. So my suggestion is to try to get on a desktop or a laptop and actually use a web browser and go to the Blackboard website. So, this is the final thing I'm going to say about the outline. Um, some of you guys haven't submitted it yet. That's okay. I know it's a really stressful time. I know you're just trying to get caught up. You're trying to get everything done. We still have time in the semester, so it's not the end of the world. But I definitely want you to know and to remember that the longer you take working on the outline, the less time you're going to have at the end of the semester to actually write the essay. So that's something you want to get on as quickly as possible if you can. So the materials that I'm going to post this week on Blackboard, I'm going to be posting just basically review slides, everything we need to remember approaching the essay. So a little bit about things like APA, some reminders about the introduction and conclusion, so a few reminders about topic sentences, writing skills, things like that. So there is nothing new on these slides. If you feel like, you know what, I've got everything under control, I definitely know what I'm doing, you should still look at the slides. You should still review everything, but keep in mind that you're not missing anything. There's nothing new in there. The idea with those slides is to really get you ready to write the essay. As well as posting those slides, I'm going to be posting the actual assignment page. And again, at this point, it's good to look at the assignment page. It's good to remind yourself of things like word count. It's good to check it as a checklist to make sure you're not leaving anything out of the essay. But you should really have no surprises at this point. You've written the outline, you've been researching this, you've been planning this, so it is now time to just write the essay. I'm here. I can't leave the house most of the time, so you can always email me if you get stuck, if you have any questions, and I'll try to get back to you as quickly as possible. Very last announcement for this video. In terms of the exam for the class, I've mentioned a few times throughout the semester, we do have an exam in the class. Normally we have an exam in the class. Personally, I would very much like to cancel the exam. It's a little bit tricky because the exam is the official end of semester assignment that the department keeps on staff normally. So normally I wouldn't be able to cancel the exam. Honestly, everything is so up in the air and crazy right now. The department is still figuring some of these things out. Um, so if it's possible, I would like to cancel the exam, but please don't take this as an announcement that it will be canceled because we might have to have it anyways. Um, if you do have a strong feeling, though, if you feel like, oh, you know what, I actually want to write the exam because, I want to bring my mark up or I missed something earlier, or if you feel like I really don't want to write the exam because I don't have any time to do it, feel free to email me and let me know how you're feeling, and that can help me make my plan for the end of the semester. So, uh, ultimately, though, what I want you guys to take away from this very meandering video, make sure you're checking Blackboard to get your submitted assignments, especially the outline, and make sure you're going through those comments very carefully. If you haven't submitted the outline and the bibliography, please try to get on that as soon as you can. The sooner you can submit it, the sooner you can get my feedback, the better things will be moving towards the end of the semester. And thirdly, I am going to be posting some stuff on Blackboard that's just going to help you review, get ready to write the essay, and start writing the essay. As always, get a hold of me with any questions. You've got my email address. It's nicknicholas.mcarthur@georgebrown.ca. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.